Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the element, open the exact page and target the area called Down Below. Use the Find tool, Ctrl+F or Command+F, and type a clear keyword related to the link because that narrows results quickly. Once you see matches, make sure to expand any collapsed sections, hidden menus, or footers that often hide links. If a link is in a list or button, hover first to get the URL preview. This saves time and prevents accidental navigation. Now you move into inspection mode. Right-click the element and pick Inspect or View Source so you can see the HTML. Look specifically for href equals, data href, or onclick attributes. Those almost always contain the URL you need, and copying the string gives you the direct link. Once copied, verify whether the URL is shortened or redirected. If so, use a safe preview or expand technique to confirm the destination before you open it, because finish by verifying the link. Paste it into a plain text editor or a link preview pane to confirm the destination, because you want to be sure before visiting. If the link doesn't work, check whether JavaScript generates the href at runtime or whether access permissions block it. That explains many hidden link issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear your cache, disable blockers, and reload with developer tools open. This often reveals dynamically added links or exposes errors that prevent the link from appearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.